Hey guys, so right now I'm going to be doing another part to Subway Surf, another part to this game, because it's been requested in my last video. So I'm going to try and get a better score this time, because I remember last time it was very bad. I want to try and get to at least 10,000, maybe 20,000. I'm not sure. I really want to get to just over 10,000 because last time I only got to about 5,000, which is really bad. But then I don't really want to make this video so long, so I'm just going to do one game if I get to a high score, because that will take up lots of time. Okay, I'm on 6,000. I think I can get to 10,000 on this try. Okay, I'm on 9,000. If I die right now, I'm going to be so angry. Oh, that was so close. Okay, I'm on 10,000 now. Oh, I hate these shoes. Like, when I get those shoes, it's so annoying. Like, I just can't control it. It's really bad. Oh no, I died. Okay, that was 11,000. That was 11,000, so I don't know how long this video is. Yeah, I'm just going to end that now. I'll say that was, 14,000, okay. That wasn't a bad score. It wasn't really good either, but anyway, I'm just going to end this video now. Thanks for watching, bye.